Alright everybody, welcome back to the farm. And we were talking a bit in the previous video about the insect and the other ladybugs always come to eat the leaf of the plant or the crops. But actually that's when the plant got very young. But when the plant or the crops got the fruit, that's one more thing that they have to be careful of the birds. Different type of bird, they love to come and eat. Here's the fruit of the melon here, a lot there, here, down here, a lot of them. But the birds love to come and eat. That's very harmful. Maybe something that, oh here, look like this. Yeah, look like this. This from the birds come to it from a few days before. It doesn't look that great, right? And we cannot take this to sell at the market. It's hard to stop the birds. We not really stay here 24 hours. Some bird in the day, but when it's the fruit almost on time to harvest, that's gonna time for the mite or rat come over to destroy again. But what we've been doing with the bird, we try to put that thing over there. We try to create almost like the falcon or other bird shape here, almost similar shape like this. Look at this, beautiful, right? Just piece of clothes, and then here this the clothes here, and this we take the skin of the coconut, and then look like the powerful birds. This not 100% could protect, could help, but this somehow that the bird might scared. When the bird see this, they might, oh my god, that's very powerful birds that did not really come in here. It's like I said, not 100%, but it could work about 60% almost. Here, a lot of people might wonder why we have this kind of stick and this kind of bird shape around, but like, yeah, the bird thing on the farms, yeah, this for to scare the bird. They don't want the bird to come in the farm to eat the crops. But later on, maybe other 2 weeks, that's gonna finish the bird. The bird will not come to eat again because the taste of the melon that bird doesn't like. That's time for the mite or the rat come over. They will have other special technique to scare them as well. So I will make other videos again with the way how to scare the rat and the mite. Look here, the beautiful melon, the bird and the mite. We got a stick, just one stick here, tie up with a string like this, and that here, the bird, just the bird. Some bird very scared with this. As we've been putting this in the farm, the few days we not really see any birds come over to eat the crops, to eat the melons. That's beautiful. Here, that is very bad damage. Here, we cannot take anything at all. This is very bad damage. Very bad. Not that great, but this is what we don't want to see. It's 100% destroyed with that melon. Right, thank you very much. Hope you like this one. Please do not forget to subscribe for more video later. Thank you very much. Let's say bye. The sun already finished, right?